bamuyita Mafiki. He's a dance fitness instructor. He's going to talk about himself. Era naye atuwulire abantu abaliving with autism, how can they enjoy doing workouts nga tebaba sosodde. Mafiki, briefly weyogereko n'ebyokola. Come on.
Asante very much, King Mats, and guys from Advancing Autism Family Support Organization. Nice to meet you guys. And then oh man, nice to meet you guys. Anyway, I'm called Mafiki from Wakanda Dance Fitness, and this is my second time. In fact, this is going to be my second time. Like how he has said, that was all Uganda, so Uganda. So, it's going to be the second time. But we're going to and so, the Chitisha Fitness is about dance workout or dance fitness. The Chitisha dance workout is where you're losing, but at the same time you're dancing. About other thing about was like, just to be there, having fun, doing some crazy moves. Nice moves, but as long as you are moving the body. Okay? However small the energy is or the effort that you're putting in, but at least you're doing something, okay? So what we had to come up with the dance fitness and the dance workout, okay? Making much energy, but it's good and it's even good for the community. Nagamba, so you can even step in. Nagamba, Jijakola, Jangu, that's my guy. Nagamba, Jijakola. So, I was like, let's give it a try. But trust me, the other time, charging it's so good. I'm so happy to be here. And nice to meet you.